Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting question. Let's look at the solution. 3 plus 2 equals 8. 2 times 2 equals 4. Let's divide last. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. If you solve the question this way, you solved it incorrectly. When solving these problems, the order of operations is followed. This rule is called PEMDAS for short. P parentheses. E exponents. M multiplication. D division. A addition. S subtraction. There's an additional rule here. Multiplication and division have no order. They are solved from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have no order. They are solved from left to right. Now let's do the solution again. While I delete the incorrect text, you can like the video and you can write hi in the comments section. First, we do the parentheses. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now we have division and multiplication left. According to the rule, we work from left to right. Therefore, division is done. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Last, we multiply. 4 times 2 equals 8. Congratulations if you found the answer this way. We've reached the end of our video. Solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments section. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can subscribe for new videos by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also check out my other videos in the sections on the sidebar. See you in the next video.